Trichoderma viride fungicide for plants. How to use Trichoderma to control fungal diseases. Trichoderma viride is a fungi which controls many plant diseases. It produces antibiotic substances that kill several plant pathogens or suppresses their growth. It controls root rot, stem rot, damping off, wilt and blight diseases of many crops. It also releases plant growth promoting agents. Trichoderma is mainly used to control soil-borne diseases as well as some leaf and panicle diseases of various plants, improves nutrient utilization efficiency, enhances plant resistance, and improves agrochemical pollution. Trichoderma also behaves as a safe, low-cost, effective, eco-friendly biocontrol agent for different crop species. In the crop cultivation process, the excessive use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers, as well as the long-term large-scale planting of a single crop, has led to the destruction of the ecological environment, plant diseases, pest problems, crop pesticide residues, and soil and water pollution. People urgently seek safe, effective, and environment-friendly plant disease control measures. Biological control is mainly used to control harmful organisms in plants through beneficial organisms and their products to control plant diseases and effectively reduces the application of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Trichoderma and biological fungus, widely used for plant pest control, mainly exists in the soil, air, plant surface, and other ecological environments and can effectively control a variety of plant diseases. There are more than 370 Trichoderma species, including Trichoderma viride, has been used in biological control research. Many studies have shown that most Trichoderma species can produce bioactive substances and have antagonistic effects on plant pathogenic fungi and plant pathogenic nematodes. These bioactive substances, including secondary and cell wall degrading enzymes, can effectively improve crop resistance, reduce plant diseases, and promotes plant growth. Trichoderma has been widely used for the biological control of cotton verticillium wilt, crop grey mold, tomato grey mold, melon wilt, potato dry rot, tobacco root rot, and other plant diseases. Therefore, using Trichoderma to prevent and control plant diseases not only inhibits the growth of pathogenic fungi, which is conducive to plant growth, but can also reduce the use of chemical pesticides by 60%, which is conducive in protecting the ecological environment. Usage: foliar application. Dissolve 3 grams of Trichoderma viride powder in 1 liter of water and spray on both sides of leaf during evening hours. Soil application. Mix 5 grams of Trichoderma viride powder in 1 kilogram of farm manure and broadcast on the soil around each plant. Trichoderma viride are saprophytic in nature and live and multiply in soil, using soil organic matter as food. Repeat this in every 2 months interval. For seed treatment, 10 to 15 grams of Trichoderma powder is mixed in 1 liter of water and leave it overnight, then dip the seed in this liquid for 2 minutes. So, use Trichoderma powder for plant disease control and keep growing plants happily. If you think this video is helpful, please like it. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take care of your green friends and keep them happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.